Loren, if I may. Uh, sir, hindi nyo natanong sa, nagpag-usapan namin ni Chairman ngayon eh. Hindi nyo natanong sa BCDA bakit yung the purpose, bakit bininta natin yung Fort Bonifacio is for AAP modernization, di ba? Tapos ngayon, the whole fund ng AAP modernization, tiningnan namin ngayon, 8% lang pala ang provided by BCDA. Kakaliit naman das lahat nito gagaling sa GAA. Ang intention, bininta yan, o bininta ba, pinarintahan?
Rentahan.
Pinarintahan yan para ma-fund ang AAP modernization. Tapos ngayon, 8% lang pala nabibigay nila.
Kaya po ang leksyon dito, wala pong scheme talaga na pwede mag-finance ng modernization of any armed force dahil yan ay sunk cost. Yan ay sovereign cost ng bansa. Ang BCDA na scheme ay partially lang na ma-fill sana yung gap. Kaso dahil hindi binenta yung lupa at nangapital pa yung mga nag-develop, natural, babawi pa ng costs yan bago magkaroon ng sharing ang, lalo na pag joint venture ang pinasukan. So, actually, yung joint use minsan ng facility, hindi rin magandang ideya dahil nakakompromiso ang security. Sa pangalawa po, ang one-time na benta ng major asset for modernization, hindi po magandang paradigm in the long run. Yeah, and right now, ang leksyon po ng mundo is the only way na ma-secure mo yung bansa mo is to assume that everything, you will be needing a strong defense backbone at any one time for any geopolitical or internal purpose and lalo na po sa climate change.
We appreciate that question, and it's really, it boggles the mind because I've been sitting here since 1998 and you talk about the conversion law, etc., the AFP Modernization Act since 1995, and I was here since 98. And hindi pa funded, and nga, kakarampot na portion ang mapupunta, yun ang dahilan kung bakit nag-privatization. So really, may karapatan silang magalit.
And Your Honor, if you privatize it for private purposes,
Yes.
the goal will be return on investment naturally. Fair enough, kasi mga kapital yung mga tao. But that will not address the sunk cost that you need as a painful but necessary expense of any country, like your police force. You cannot let it be to a modernization because that peace and order is an essential that every citizen needs to pay for, actually.